The population of our planet continues to grow, as well as the population in the Mediterranean countries. 276 million people lived there in 1970, and the number is expected to almost double by 2025. People's habits change the ecosystem. How? In coastal zones, one of the biggest issues is linear urbanization, building houses, industry, and other projects along the coastline, thus devastating the ecosystem in the narrow strip next to the sea. A growing use of cars pollutes the air with greenhouse gases. The Mediterranean basin is by far the largest global tourism destination, attracting almost a third of the world's international tourists, and numbers are expected to keep on growing. Then there is the general production of waste thrown into the sea, which eventually ends up on the coast. Depleting the common marine resources is something to be very careful about because it causes the extinction of some species, but also raises questions about the food we eat. And yes, with tourism and more people comes more traffic in general. The growing number of planes and cars causes severe air pollution in our region. Scientific data confirms a temperature rise up to 3 degrees Celsius is expected in the Mediterranean region by 2050. Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change also predicts a regional sea level rise ranging from 0.1 to 0.9 meters by the year 2100. Climate changes are a growing threat to the rich Mediterranean forests alongside with deforestation, causing a growing number of extreme disasters like wildfires. In the south, it leads to the desertification of the coastal strip, turning natural areas into deserts unfit for living. In 2012, approximately 20% of the Mediterranean species were threatened with extinction, including the Mediterranean monk seal and sea turtles. The human history is a story of adaptation of mankind to the changing environment. However, our own doing contributes to climate changes, therefore we can also mitigate them. So what do we do now? The Barcelona Convention seeks solutions, and the Protocol on Integrated Coastal Zone Management offers good ideas. It is a legal framework for reaching sustainability. It considers prevention of and adaptation to climate changes in the Mediterranean coastal zone, for instance by establishing the 100-meter setback zone to protect the shoreline, human lives, and property. What can we do ourselves? Well, we have a few great suggestions. Buy local and seasonal products. They are tasty and do not travel long. No planes or trucks. Use canvas bags. Plastic bags pollute and disintegrate with difficulty in the environment. Let us make it a fashion statement too. Save precious water because it is the basis of life on Earth. Go green in your household or office. Use renewable energy, save on electricity, and in general, save both environment and your money. Change bad habits in the society and motivate others to act responsibly. Do it now. It's a good climate for change. Happy Coast Day.